video, I'll show you how to find keywords in Google Search Console in 2026. If you want to know which search terms are bringing visitors to your website, Google Search Console provides this information for free. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your verified website. From the left-hand menu, click on *** Performance, then open the *** Results *** Report. At the top of the page, make sure * total clicks **, total impressions **, average CTR **, and average position * are enabled. These metrics help you understand how each keyword is performing in Google Search. Now scroll down to the table below and click the ** Queries * tab. This section lists all the keywords people used to find your website. You'll see how many clicks each keyword received, how many times it appeared in search results, its click-through rate, and its average ranking position. To find keywords for a specific page, click **new** at the top of the report. Choose **page**, and enter the page URL. Google Search Console will then display only the keywords related to that page. You can also change the date range to compare keyword performance over time. For example, compare the last 28 days with the previous 28 days to see whether your rankings and traffic are improving. Look for keywords with high impressions but low clicks. These are great opportunities to improve your page title and meta description to increase your click-through rate. Also, focus on keywords ranking between positions 8 and 20, as small SEO improvements can often move them onto the first page of Google. If you need to analyze your keyword data further, click the **export** button to download it as Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV. This makes it easier to create reports and track your SEO progress. That's it, you've successfully learned how to find keywords in Google Search Console